In this video, we're going to go over a 3-step YouTube ads creative process that will help you find the highest converting ads and really just juice up your creative process. This will help you get 10x more out of each video ad you shoot as compared to before. So before we get into this video, make sure to smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll keep making more and more of these videos for you. So guys, I want to talk about what we've been doing at Linx Digital to really create high converting video ads. What we've been doing is we have this 3-step process where we essentially are able to take 1 or 2 video ads and turn them into 10 video ads and be able to just massively test at scale. So what we're doing here is when we shoot video ads, we'll typically have 3 to 4 hooks and maybe 2 bodies, right? So the 2 bodies can be shot once, and that makes things a lot simpler because you don't have to script like 5 different video ads. You just have to script different hooks and maybe a couple of different main bodies. If you do the math there, if you have 4 different hooks and 2 bodies, you very quickly figure out what angles are working, right? Because hooks are essentially different marketing angles. So when you see that you have these different hooks and one of them really takes off, you are now able to test that with those 2 bodies, right? And from those 2 bodies, you can see that, hey, this one body is really taking off. Now you have this combination. So you have a total of 8 variations, and let's say 1 or 2 work. So now you have 1 or 2 winners from 8 ads. And that really came about by shooting a bunch of really quick hooks and shooting 2 main bodies, right? So that is just incredibly powerful for being able to get a lot of variations. Now, the cool thing is once you have a really great hook that's doing amazingly well, you can actually create a couple more bodies based on that hook. So I'll give you an example, right? Let's say if I'm selling a security system and one of the hooks are, hey, did you know that crime in the USA increased by 54% last year, right? Let's say that's a hook, a fear-based hook. And let's say the other hook is a game-based hook where it's something like, hey, do you want to know about this new security system that actually will reduce the chance of break-ins by 90%, where it's a completely different kind of angle that you're taking. So if you do actually have the hook where it's based on fear take off and that hook's doing really well, then you can create a whole new body where you go deeper into crime statistics and you really agitate that problem, and then you introduce the security system as a solution. So that's kind of how the body and hook system works, where essentially the hooks can guide you into creating more bodies. And this is a lot more efficient than creating 5 different completely unique ads, because writing hooks takes so much less time. Shooting hooks literally takes like 30 seconds, and you don't have to create that many bodies to be able to test those hooks out. From there, what you do is you can then create more bodies based on the hooks that worked. So let's give you an example of this process. We shoot 4 hooks and 2 bodies. 1 or 2 of those hooks really take off. Now you shoot a couple more bodies, and now you have basically 2 to 3 winning ads from that whole combination of like 10 ads that you have already done. Now we get into the 3rd step of our process, right? Which is actually creating edits and different variations of the winning ad. So of those 10 different ads you've tested, you take the 1 or 2 best ones, and what you do is you create a shorter version where you cut out some of the footage. So maybe that's like a 45-second run. Maybe you create like a medium length version, and then you have the full original length ad. So now you're testing length. Another example of this is you could test different types of ad types. So you could have one where you have a spokesperson with a British accent and you test that versus your original ad. Different accents, different lengths, different types of even footage, right? So one ad could be 100%, let's say me in front of the camera, and the other ad could be a complete animation-based ad, and the 3rd ad could be just a completely different actor, and so on. So what we're doing now is once we've tested the message and the hook and the bodies that work, we now start testing the different formats of delivering the message, right? So different video, different types of music, different types of actors. So guys, that's how we're able to just come up with massive amounts of variations of ads to test and be able to really figure out which marketing hook and angle works best. And that's not where it ends, right? Because once you have a hook and a body that works, and you also have a voiceover artist or an actor that works, you can modify the rest of your funnel. So go hire that same actor who perhaps has a certain type of accent that connects with your audience and have them actually create the video sales letter or the webinar on the next page. So using this whole process, you're able to just get better results on your ads as well as your funnel. So guys, I hope you really got some value from that. Let me know if you have any questions below. I know this was a quick video. I wanted to just throw that out there, as this is a really unique process that we've been testing that's been delivering amazing results for us. So if you're interested in learning more about how to use the system, you can actually book a call with us to learn about our agency services, where we actually do this for you. So there'll be a link below to book a call for Linx Digital Agency Services. Thanks for watching, and hit the like button and subscribe button so I can keep making more videos for you.